Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many people encounter when setting up RabbitMQ with TLS on Google Cloud Platform. The issue at hand revolves around establishing a secure connection between the MQTT client and the RabbitMQ server. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The error messages you're seeing are likely due to a mismatch in the common name, CN, of the certificate. By using the insecure flag with Mosquitto_sub, you can bypass this and establish a connection. However, the ideal fix is to regenerate the certificate with a CN set to the server's public IP. Remember, increasing the verbosity of Mosquitto_sub with the V flag might provide more detailed error messages, aiding in troubleshooting the issue further. In summary, troubleshooting TLS connection issues between the MQTT client and the RabbitMQ server can often be resolved by ensuring the CN on the certificate matches the server's public IP. By following these steps and tweaking the certificates accordingly, you'll be on your way to seamless and secure communication. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!